So it's very simple. Basically what you do is you find a sponsor that you want to have you sponsored, and they can walk you through that. However, I know here in Canada, basically you fill an application form, and once you get the application form, eXp will then send you the documents through DocuSign, and then you fill the independent contractor agreement. When you fill in the independent contractor agreement, and just before that, you'll put on the date that you want to begin. And then once all that is submitted, just before you actually transition, you'll be also sending your resignation letter. If you're coming from another brokerage, if you're not coming from another brokerage and you're a brand new agent, then you don't have to fill in the resignation letter, you just fill in the application form and the ICA, which is the independent contractor agreement, and that you get started. So if you want more information on that, you have any questions, please just reach out to me by clicking on the link below, and my information is down below, and that way I can assist you and walk you through that process. Hey, pause right here and click on the link below, get a free copy of my book so that you can increase your sales, take more listings, and earn more money. Go ahead and do that right now. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel right now so you can get more great videos like the one you just watched. If you like this video and you would like to see more, please click right here. Once again, my name is John Toublaris, international speaker, award-winning author, and a real estate sales and mindset coach. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.